Welcome to BioMars. Hello everyone, today I'm gonna explain a super interesting topic which name is stem cells. As we all know that stem cells are really fantastic and new and hot topic in biology. And I found out I really love stem cells is when I find internships during the winter quarter like half years ago. And after reading a bunch of ICs, published papers and project of professors, I found out that stem cells is my favorite. And it's really lucky that I'm currently working in the lab and I'm doing something about the germline stem cells. And I found that germline stem cells and epigenetic, which I will talk about later, are two most interesting things to me. Before we deeply study what are stem cells, we have to know what are cells. And then I will talk about what's the difference between stem cells and cells. So what are cells? Cells are the smallest unit and make up all tissue and organs. Basically, cells making organs, and the organs, if we arrange the organs together, and it makes humans. Basically, every living things in the world, almost every, are made up by cells. So we know what are cells, but we don't know what are stem cells. So there are basically two kinds of stem cells, and the function of stem cells are special function cells. Basically, they can divide, or they can become one specific cells, like one stem cells can become one specific cells. And we have numerous kind of cells, but we only have like more than 100 kind of stem cells. So basically, every cells in our body are made from these stem cells, and there are overall two kind of stem cells. One is adult and pluripotent stem cells. The first one, adult, is kind of, for example, is the blood cells are making by it. And skin cells, they're specific. They're super specific, that, like what I told before, that one stem cells making one specific cells. And then another kind of cells is, for example, is embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells is one of the most fantastic cells in the world because it's non-specific. Like if blood cells making by its own kind of stem cells, or skin cells making by its own kind of like skin stem cells. So what makes these stem cells is embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells making all stem cells. So it's kind of the father of stem cells. Currently, there are many researching on embryonic stem cells, and I really want to keep study something about stem cells in future. And I hope everyone loved this small, quick introduction. And I will detailedly talk about like 1 or 2 or 3 kind of stem cells and their functions, like how they divided. And I will keep talking about epigenetics. Hopes everyone love this topic. Thank you so much.